One thing that all strong organizations and nonprofits have in common is a solid board of directors. These are advisors who use their personal experience to guide these organizations to be successful. If you desire to lead a sports administration organization, you need your own personal board of directors. A group of people who are familiar with the industry, who understand what it takes to succeed, and who have a vested interest in making sure that you are successful. These need to be persons who are not going to sugarcoat things for you. They're going to genuinely discuss your weaknesses with you and help you make them stronger so that you can shine in presentations and the interview process. If you don't have one, the most important recruiting job that you have is to get a personal board of directors. Do it today.